Today I want to test how good is this new model Soul, taking an inspiration and transforming it into a section based on a aesthetic we have. I'm going to repeat this like a million of times. The better the input, the better the output. So I don't rely on AI to design from scratch because I think we still need to have a direction. We are the art directors of AI as a designers. I think the AI perform very good and I am not wasting time and credits when I direct. So basically I'm going to transform this hero section into this layout with these animations. So basically here I'm going to use this template that is CODEX. So give me a sec. I'm going to download that template in our templates community. By the way, yeah, this is available for all our members on our templates community. The Astro template that basically is ready. Yeah, it's a file that is ready for any AI tool. So here I have my main base and I'm going to, okay, I have the template. I already point the right folder and I'm just to ask, please, let's render CODEX and let's see the results. Probably we're going to have the review and now it's working. So for now, it's just an AI process. We are not testing like the power of this model, but yeah, let's wait. Okay, the template is already rendered, so we are going to start iterating. Okay, so next step after that is I'm going to go and open this component that I really like, and I'm going to copy the prompt for CODEX. I know it isn't CODEX anymore. Yeah, I need to adapt that. But yeah, basically here what we're going to do is basically first I'm going to make a raw test. Let's see how the AI can make an interpretation of what I want to do based on this detailed prompt. I think it could make a really good job. So let's see. And if not, we can go for our second. We can go to a second approach that is having more references. So hi, I want to modify the hero section. Just a hero. I don't want to modify the navbar. This hero section with this code reference that I am sending right now. And also, I would love to change the photos that we have on the code references for the components we have here on the current hero sections that are like squares, like that are like terminals. So I want these terminal components to be instead of the, as you can see, I want to replace these components here for this. And also, this is an important thing, and please respect all the aesthetics, colors, typographies, and all the style and feeling in general of the current website, and just take this code reference as a wireframe so you can adapt to my current website. So this is important because AI, we don't want AI to hallucinate, right? So yeah. And after that, I'm going to paste my code component that is a long reference. It's specifically we created inside the community. But yeah, basically this is the code. Give me a sec. I just want to show you. Yeah, that's it. It's really long, but don't worry, AI can't accept this code. Okay, let's see the results in a minute. Take the time. Basically, right now is 10:43 p.m. here. So let's see how minutes it takes to create a new version of this hero section, and see. Let's see how good it is. So okay, we have the results. Let me see. Okay. Pretty good for the first try. To be honest, I think that I am going to make a really better job. I am not like 100. I'm not happy with the result, to be honest, because I need this hero to be with this section. So first, what we're going to do is basically just try to point the error to ChatGPT and let's see if he can fix it just with the prompt. But also, I didn't want ChatGPT to create these new components. Those are cool, I'm not gonna lie, but I need a section to be like this one. Let me show you. So basically what I wanted to create was like to have these terminal sections with this loop here. So I'm going to take a screenshot here. So yeah, this is the first thing, and also the second thing is going to have like here a screenshot of this section. So yeah. Okay, please, I need you to follow the structure from the prompt component I sent from the code reference. I need the position of the text, the descriptions, and the buttons exactly as the code reference. I'm talking about the prompt component I send you. And also, instead of the photos from the reference, I told you that I want to have the terminal components as you can see on the reference I am sending you. I want these terminal components on the loop animation instead of the current one that you created. You created a new one, but I didn't want that. I wanted to reuse the components I had before. So please confirm first if you can go back and have that terminal component, and if you don't have that, please just tell me and I can send you that on code. To be honest, I don't have that code. But yeah, we can always download again the template and extract that component, this one that I want. So let's see how it goes. What happened? My usage is gone? No, right? Okay, let's wait for the correction and you on the next like rendering. Check this out. We have a really result now. ChatGPT is doing their work, so we just need to wait. But in general, as you can see, the results are pretty similar of what we have here. So in general, I think it made a pretty good job. So let's wait for a minute. I really hope that ChatGPT can make correction itself. That would be awesome, to be honest. Yeah, and we just need to wait. But yeah, this is not good. I think this is a valid point to comment. As we are doing right now, we are creating a code component here with this animation. That's crazy. While we have in this component, this is just an animation with images. This is totally different what we are building here, but this is the goal, right? Like push the limit of the AI and let's see how they can take this code reference we send you with this prompt component and see how they can adapt with what we have in mind. So yeah, this is a point that I want to comment. Yeah. Let's see how probably we're going to make the correction ourselves because ChatGPT, yeah, we just need to wait for a minute. Okay, ChatGPT already finished. This is not what we are looking for, but it's a pretty good result. I'm amazed, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just going to try I'm going to try again just to make sure they can get the right animation because this is what we want, right? So yeah, give me a sec. I am copying and yeah. So please, everything is in place for now on the design, but I need to fix one thing before going live. It needs to improve this loop animation, this carousel animation we have. Please, you need to follow the same structure of the prompt component I am sending you right now. You need to put the size and the spacing of each card and how the component is structured. On the design, but obviously use the terminal components that you already created, and those are correct and awesome, but I think we need to improve the spacing and how the animation looks like right now. Yeah, so let's wait for the result, and probably this will fix everything, and after that we're ready. So as you can see, giving the prompt again works. So ChatGPT, I have a better spectacular results here, and probably refining the last things, but I think it's going to end well. Okay, ChatGPT finished, so we're going to check the results. Look at this is incredible, right? So, and basically we go from here to this new totally different section with a beautiful design, and we use for this the right reference, right? Something that I really recommend when you are designing with AI is basically giving the right and a really good reference. We are giving code, basically code components, and AI can interpret this code better than anyone, so they can understand what we are trying to achieve with our design. So basically, that's my process when I am designing a website with AI. So I hope you enjoyed and learn a little bit from this process.